Sí.
Good morning, sir. Madam, I am Ruth B. Bagay at the age of 23 years old. I am a single. I have experience in Kuwait within 2 years and 2 months. I finished my contract there. My job are cleaning the house, preparing the preparing preparing the uniform of the children, send them to school, and my hobbies are reading books. My hobbies are reading books, listening music, and I want to work to abroad because I want to help my family to have a better future for I have a better future for my little sister and brother. Sir, Madam, if you choose me as one of your of your mate, I will do my best and duties. I am honest, patient, generous, and I promise to I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you and